Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to tame this nappy mess and put it underneath my wigs. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm a very low maintenance girl. I had this bun in my hair for about 3 to 4 days. So now I'm just kind of detangling my hair. I have kind of sprayed my hair with water and a little bit of leave-in just to kind of give my hair a little bit more slip because my hair can tangle. I have a weird texture in my hair. It kind of acts funny when it's dry versus when it's wet. So I also will say if you pre-detangle your hair before shampooing, it makes it a lot easier for the process to go by and be a lot more manageable at the end when it's time to style your hair. Moving on to the shampoo and condition process. For shampoo and conditioner, I use the AG smoothing line. I absolutely love AG's shampoo and conditioner. This one has argan and coconut, so my hair is super moisturized and super soft and shiny and so manageable. Like, my hair just absolutely soaks this stuff up, and I'm still like kind of in that process of trying to find things that work for my hair, and this is one of those. So if you kind of deal with drier, tanglier hair and have a texture like mine, then AG might be a good product for you. Now, after I shampoo and condition, I'm going in with my hair mask from TGIN. This is the Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask. This is the first time me using this mask. I typically just use any mask, but this one was a new one that I just tried, and as you can tell, I love the way it smells. And I use a little bit of a scoop out for each section of my hair because I want my hair to be very saturated and very hydrated as well. So I'm putting this and lathering it everywhere. And then I'm just leaving it on for 35 minutes. There's no way I can get through doing my hair without a karaoke session. I will give anybody $10 who can guess what I'm singing in this video. So I have went ahead and blow dried my hair because that process is already long. If you want to see me blow dry my hair, I have a video of how I will go from curly to straight. And in that process, I show you how to blow dry my hair. Here, I'm just showing you the length of my hair and that I need to trim my ends. I do not trim a lot off, but it has been at least 6 months since I've trimmed my hair, so I felt like it was time, and so why not show you guys in the clip how I do that. I just kind of gather my ends and just snip away. Now, going on to the braiding process of this video, I just do flat braids, plaits, whatever you want to call them, because I feel like that's the easiest way for my hair to lay flat. I don't have the thickest hair, but I also don't have the thinnest hair either, so I prefer to do these ASAP Rocky plaits because it's the quickest, and I can actually wear these out and about if I wanted to and just put them in a ponytail. So I'm just repeating the product process. I'm taking that TGIN Miracle Oil and then the Curl Food hair moisturizer, and I just braid my hair up. I am lazy, so I only did 6 braids. If you want your braids to last longer, just do smaller sections. But I did 6 on each side of my head just because I like to rebraid my hair after a while, but I also like no manipulation as well. So I'll leave them in as long as I can until I can't anymore and just redo them. Now in the front section of my hair, I do use a little bit of jam because we are wearing a wig. So we're wanting our edges and everything to be slick, smooth, out of the way, and also protected. So I still use the oil and everything like that with it. I'm just trying to make sure my edges don't get ripped off and they are braided up as well. So for the front part of my hair, I do like to kind of start it like a cornrow. So the top lays flat because that's typically the only thing that you need to lay flat for the wig. So I prefer to just do these flat braids because it's the easiest way for me to just still be able to oil my hair, moisturize the actual ends of my hair, and still oil my scalp and be able to not wear a wig if I don't want to. All right, so I went ahead and finished the other half of my head off of camera, so we're gonna move on to the wig laying. So these are my braids after about a week or so. I am a heavy sleeper and I don't like to wrap my hair at night, so this is why they look like this. But like I mentioned before, if I was to do smaller braids, they would last me longer, but I don't really care to do that. Like I said, I don't really wear wigs that long, so typically these braids last me a while. As you can see right here, I'm just crisscrossing my halves of my braids and tucking them in my wig cap because that's how I get it to lay flat in the back. And now I'm just taking the wig grip that I use to kind of keep my wigs on, because I don't like to lay my wigs down to the fullest with like wig glue and everything like that. I typically just use a little bit of mousse and a little bit of spritz, and that'll last me for the day because I take my wigs off at night. So here I'm just showing you the construction of this wig. This wig is from Allie Grace. It has 3 combs in the top and a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Of course, I already have my adjustable straps measured to how I want them. Now I'm just putting the wig on and just showing you what it looks like straight on. So this is a 13 by 6 frontal wig. So you can see I have lace all the way around the perimeter, and then I'm just going to be showing you guys here in the next clip what it looks like once I've moussed it and kind of hairsprayed it a little bit down. But that is all for my process of how I get my wigs to lay flat, and I also protect my natural hair underneath them. I also love this hair, by the way, too. It's very, very full and really, really nice. But that is it for this video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.